Hello, my sweet friends. Marnie here with another body wisdom tip of the week. This week we are working on our liver meridian. Now, physically, our liver is one of the hardest working organs in our body. It does over 500 chemical reactions. It stores and regulates our blood flow. It's one of our master detoxification organs. The energy meridian is all about planning and overseeing our path forward in life. If this line is out of balance, it brings the feelings of anger, frustration, and resentment. When we can channel that anger, release it, and let it go, it puts us into balance in this energy line and drops us into the emotions of faith, optimism, and wisdom. We're going to do a super simple little breath pattern that's going to bring some love to our liver as an organ and to the energy line. Please take your right hand and place it in your low right rib cage. This is right where your liver sits. Close your eyes. Breathe into your liver right under that right hand. And as you exhale, relax out into your torso. The inhalation is really focused into that organ. The exhalation relaxes and diffuses into the torso. Now, same inhalation right into the liver. Exhale and relax into your torso, and then also relax down your arms and down your legs. Same inhalation. As you exhale, relax out into your whole body, and now add your neck and your head. Continue that inhalation into your liver. As you exhale, relax out into your entire body and then slide out into the space around you. It's like you're sitting in a great big soap bubble. Fill that soap bubble up with the exhalation and the relaxation. One more breath. Beautiful. Just gently give your liver a little massage. This beautiful internal organ loves when energy is focused on it. A little breath and a little love flows a long way. Your liver's also responsible for evening out the chi in your body, evening out the energy everywhere. Thank you so much for breathing with me. I will see you the next time the moon cycles change.